Imagine standing on the edge of reality, peering into a universe where everything you know is just one version of countless possibilities. What if scientists announced the discovery of a parallel universe? A universe where every choice you made branches off into an alternate reality. What would that mean for you, for humanity, and for our understanding of existence itself? Today, we explore the thrilling concept of parallel universes and what it would mean if we suddenly found one. Buckle up as we journey through the unknown. The science behind parallel universes. Before we dive into the implications, let's understand the science behind parallel universes. The idea isn't just science fiction, it's rooted in theories from quantum mechanics and cosmology. The many worlds interpretation, proposed by physicist Hugh Everett III in 1957, suggests that every time we make a decision, the universe splits into multiple realities. Each possible outcome creates a new branch of existence. Imagine a world where you chose to go left instead of right. Two different realities emerge. In one, you might have become a successful artist, while in another, you could be an astronaut exploring distant planets. But what if we found a way to access these alternate realities? How would our lives change? Kinda sounds like a movie script. So what gives? Stay tuned as we explore the mind-bending implications of discovering a parallel universe, the Discovery. Now picture this, a high-tech research facility where some of the brightest minds on the planet are working tirelessly to unlock the mysteries of the universe. This is where our story begins, at the world's most advanced particle collider. One day, as scientists are conducting routine experiments, they notice something extraordinary. Particles are behaving in ways that defy known physics. At first, they think it's a glitch, but as they dig deeper, they realize they're witnessing something unprecedented. The data reveals anomalies, particles seemingly disappearing and reappearing, interactions that suggest the presence of another dimension. The scientists can hardly believe their eyes. Could it be that they've stumbled upon evidence of a parallel universe? Word spreads like wildfire. Media outlets around the globe report on this groundbreaking discovery. The world is abuzz with excitement, curiosity, and a fair share of skepticism. Governments convene emergency meetings to discuss the potential implications. Some see it as an unparalleled opportunity for exploration and advancement, while others caution against the unknown risks. In the days that follow, an international coalition of scientists and engineers is formed to study the phenomenon. They pool their resources and knowledge, determined to understand this new reality. The team develops advanced simulations and models to predict what this parallel universe might be like. They theorize about its structure, its laws of physics, and how it interacts with our own universe. But then, they make an even more astonishing discovery. There might be a way to travel to this parallel universe. Using cutting-edge technology, the coalition constructs a device capable of creating a stable portal between our universe and the parallel one. It's a feat of engineering that pushes the boundaries of human capability. As the portal hums to life for the first time, the air crackles with anticipation. What lies beyond this shimmering gateway? What wonders and dangers await humanity on the other side? Stay tuned as we embark on the first expedition into the unknown. The first expedition. The day has finally arrived. After months of preparation, a select team of scientists, engineers, and explorers stand ready to embark on humanity's first venture into a parallel universe. The world watches with bated breath as they make their final preparations. Meet the team. Dr. Emily Carter, a renowned physicist whose theories paved the way for this discovery. James Rodriguez, an expert in advanced robotics. Dr. Aisha Khan, a biologist eager to study new forms of life. And Captain Alex Turner, a seasoned astronaut leading the mission. Equipped with cutting-edge technology and a determination to explore the unknown, the team steps into their spacecraft. Their mission is to gather data, observe, and above all, return safely to share their findings with the world. As the portal activates, the spacecraft is enveloped in a shimmering vortex of energy. The transition is both mesmerizing and disorienting. For a moment, everything is a blur of colors and lights. Then, suddenly, they emerge on the other side. What greets them is a world both familiar and alien. The landscape resembles Earth, but with remarkable differences. Trees with bioluminescent leaves cast an ethereal glow, and strange creatures dart through the underbrush. The team sets up a base camp and begins their exploration. Dr. Khan collects samples of the unique flora and fauna, while Dr. Carter analyzes the atmospheric composition. Rodriguez deploys drones to map the area and gather data. As they venture further, they make astonishing discoveries. They encounter structures that suggest advanced civilizations, cities powered by unknown energy sources, transportation systems that defy gravity, and communication devices that operate on principles foreign to our understanding. But it's not just the environment that captivates them. They meet inhabitants of this parallel universe, beings remarkably similar to humans, but with distinct differences. These interactions are both thrilling and perplexing, raising questions about culture, language, and shared history. However, not everything is idyllic. The team faces unexpected dangers, predatory creatures with no fear of humans, environmental hazards unlike anything on Earth, and even territorial disputes among local populations. As tensions rise and challenges mount, the team must decide. Should they continue their exploration or retreat to safety? What secrets does this parallel universe hold? And what price will they pay for this extraordinary journey? Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the ethical implications of their discoveries. The ethical implications. As the expedition progresses, the team is faced with increasingly complex ethical dilemmas. Their discoveries have the potential to revolutionize human understanding, but at what cost? Dr. Emily Carter raises a crucial point. Their very presence in this parallel universe could have unforeseen consequences. The team must consider the ripple effects of their actions. Could they inadvertently introduce diseases, disrupt local ecosystems, or even alter the course of this world's history? James Rodriguez, meanwhile, is eager to share their advanced technology with the inhabitants. He believes that collaboration could lead to incredible advancements for both worlds. But others worry. What if this exchange leads to dependency or exploitation? Dr. Aisha Khan forms bonds with some of the inhabitants, learning about their culture and way of life. She faces a moral quandary. Should she reveal their true origins? Would it be ethical to influence their beliefs and perceptions? Tensions rise within the team. Captain Alex Turner finds himself mediating heated debates. Dr. Carter argues for non-interference, emphasizing the importance of observing without altering this world. But Rodriguez and Khan see potential for mutual benefit and growth. The team experiments with small interventions, introducing medical advancements, sharing agricultural techniques, and demonstrating new technologies. They witness both positive outcomes and unintended consequences. In one instance, a simple medical procedure saves lives, earning gratitude from the local community. But in another, an advanced tool disrupts traditional practices, leading to social unrest. The team grapples with their moral responsibility. Are they here as explorers, saviors, or invaders? Each decision weighs heavily on them as they balance curiosity with caution, compassion with restraint. A critical moment arises when they discover a threat, a natural disaster looming over the parallel universe's main city. The team has the means to prevent it, but doing so would reveal their presence and capabilities to the entire world. Faced with this dilemma, the team must ask themselves, Do they intervene and save countless lives, potentially altering the fabric of this parallel universe forever? Or do they adhere to their original mission of observation, respecting the autonomy of this world? As they stand on the brink of a decision that could change everything, what will they choose? And what will be the consequences of their choice? Stay tuned as we unravel the profound impact of their actions in our final segment, the pivotal decision. As the team assesses the impending disaster, a massive volcanic eruption threatening the main city, they realize time is running out. The inhabitants have no knowledge of the technology or understanding necessary to avert this catastrophe. The weight of their decision hangs heavy. Captain Alex Turner calls an emergency meeting. "We need to act fast," he urges, "but we must consider the implications. If we save them, we risk exposing ourselves and changing their world forever." Dr. Khan passionately argues that they cannot stand by and watch innocent lives be lost. "We have the power to help. Isn't that our responsibility?" she insists, her voice filled with urgency. In contrast, Dr. Carter presents a holographic projection of potential scenarios resulting from their intervention. "We could create dependency. They may rely on us for every disaster. What happens when we leave?" she cautions. As discussions escalate, it becomes clear that the team is divided. Rodriguez feels torn. He understands both sides, but fears the consequences of inaction. The clock ticks down as they argue about ethics versus empathy. Suddenly, they receive a message from local leaders who have sensed the disturbance in the natural order. They express their gratitude for the team's previous help, but ask for guidance on how to prepare for the eruption. With their hand forced, the team convenes once more. They realize that any choice they make will shape the future of both their worlds. Will they intervene and risk altering the destiny of an entire civilization? Or will they choose to respect the autonomy of this world and allow nature to take its course? The aftermath and reflection. In a moment of unity, the team decides to intervene, using their advanced technology to provide early warning systems and evacuation protocols. They watch as the inhabitants rally together, preparing for the disaster with newfound knowledge. The volcanic eruption occurs, but thanks to their timely intervention, casualties are minimal, and the community bands together to rebuild. The experience transforms both parties, creating a bond that transcends their differences. As they prepare to return home, each team member reflects on their journey. They have altered the course of history in this parallel universe, but they've also gained invaluable insights about their own humanity and responsibilities. The expedition raises profound questions about our role as explorers in unknown territories. What responsibilities do we hold when we encounter new cultures and realities? How far should we go to help others? And what are the consequences of our actions? Now, we turn to you, our viewers. What would you have done in their situation? Would you intervene to save lives, or would you respect the autonomy of another world? Do you believe humanity has a moral obligation to help those in need, even if it means risking unintended consequences? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more explorations into the unknown.